Good day guys, this is Jeff from GoPro and Do It. Today our new episode is about an Audi A5 2013. We're gonna replace the rear brake pads and the oil motor, including the filter. It's somehow an easy job to do, but you need to have some tools that I'm going to talk about in a bit. First of all, we're gonna remove this cover and expose the bottom of the motor so we can drain the oil. Okay, now for the next step we have to remove this bolt. This is a T40 and we're gonna drain the whole oil of the motor.
Settle down that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you.
Now, while draining the oil, we're gonna replace the filter. This is a 36 millimeters.
Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
This is the new oil filter made in Germany that I bought from the Audi group.
Remember you say sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer.
Bought this German oil 5W40, fully synthetic. This is SRS, a high quality premium oil. So the whole system would take around 6.5 liters, including the oil filter.
I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
After filling a whole gallon 4 liters, we're still gonna fill around 1.5 liters. We're gonna fill until reaching this level on 1 liters.
Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Okay guys, now we're gonna change the rear brakes, the pads, but you're gonna need a scanner in order to release the emergency parking brake. You need to get a scanner tool. So we go to service, emergency parking brake. This is an Audi. Okay, we go to parking brake, replace brake pads, operating guide. Put the key into ignition, and this is a warning: forcing the function to exit during its execution may cause failure to enable parking brake system. So we press OK to continue. Please release the parking brake. So we press on the brake and we release the parking brake. Then we push OK. You can hear the motor now releasing. So now for the time being we're gonna turn ignition off, do our replacement job, and then turn ignition on and proceed to activate the motor again.
Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how?
We're gonna remove the caliper, 13mm, and this is 15mm. So we're gonna unscrew this in order to remove the caliper and change the pads.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I'll beg.
the other side we do the same process, 15mm and 13mm ratchet. For installing the new pads, we need to push this piston to close it in order to for the caliper to fit into the disc. Not easy process, but if you have the tool you can easily do it. If not, you have to squeeze it with some metal part in order to push it to the closed position. This is febi, German brand.
Sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl in your...
We put the car on ground and we finalize the whole process. We need to get into the car and continue the process of putting back or initiating the EPB. We turn the ignition on. Please click OK to proceed. You can hear now the motor. It's on now. It's asking me to apply the parking brake. Parking brake applied. We press on OK. Rear brake pad replacement completed. Guys, we have replaced the rear pad brake for this Audi A5 and I believe it's similar to many other Audi brands. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know you can do it at home. You just need some tools like the scanner in order to release the EPB and then initiate it back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for much more videos.